Hey guys, this is Dave Gonzalez from HonestPaint.com, and today I want to show you, I just finished working on a skull. This is the side of the skull, a side view, and then I painted, actually I drew, I used charcoal, I'm so used to painting everything. I used a charcoal pencil, so I used a 57, if you can see right here actually, 57 4B soft pencil. And I actually did it all with this one, because this is actually just the one I had offhand. So pick up a pack, just mess with them. You can do lights and dark shades. And actually, let me get this kind of point right here where the darkness is right here. This is where it's hollowed in more. So that means it's further from you in the eye. And right here are the highlights. This would be like your eyebrows. Right here on the side of your face, these are the bones. So when you're painting a portrait, you know, let's say you're painting a portrait, right here would be the lightest part, and here would get a little darker and darker if you're doing the side. Same thing with the cheek and the parts of that. So what you're doing is practicing a framework for the skeleton. So when you paint people, you know the framework and where you're supposed to put the shadows and not put the shadows and stuff like that. So that's what it teaches you. Just a quick kind of like, tip I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm going to release a full video soon of me doing this. But check out my please sub, share, do all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Drop a like, comment. Let me know what you think. And I appreciate it, guys. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right.